Hello everyone, and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the top 5 best inflatable paddleboards in 2026, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll compare the best options on the market based on performance, stability, durability, portability, and overall value to help you find the perfect board for your next adventure on the water. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Best Reviews and hit that like button so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. And if you'd like to learn more about any of the paddleboards featured in this video, you'll find all the product links waiting for you in the description box below. Now, let's jump right into our top picks. Number 5. NIXY G5 Newport Inflatable Paddleboard. Starting off our list is the NIXY G5 Newport, a premium all-around inflatable paddleboard designed for paddlers of every skill level. Measuring 10 feet 6 inches by 32 inches, it delivers an excellent balance of speed and stability, making it ideal for lakes, rivers, and even light ocean conditions. Its welded seams provide exceptional durability and long-lasting performance while supporting riders up to 300 pounds. Despite its rugged construction, the board remains lightweight and easy to carry, and the quick inflation system gets you on the water in minutes. The complete package includes a Typhoon hand pump, hybrid paddle, backpack, and coiled leash, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance SUP. Number 4. Niphean 12 feet 6 inches Touring Inflatable Paddleboard. If you're planning longer paddling adventures, the Niphean 12 feet 6 inches Touring SUP is built specifically for speed and efficiency. Its streamlined touring nose and V-hole design help the board glide effortlessly through the water, allowing you to travel farther with less effort. Built using premium woven drop-stitch construction, it becomes incredibly rigid when inflated, offering a hard board-like feel with excellent balance. With a huge 550-pound weight capacity and a spacious 33-inch deck, there's plenty of room for camping gear, fishing equipment, or even an extra passenger or pet. Weighing just over 20 pounds, it's surprisingly easy to transport and comes complete with an adjustable paddle, pump, backpack, waterproof foam bag, repair kit, and a reassuring 3-year warranty. Number 3. Niphean Extra Large Family Inflatable Paddleboard. Coming in at number 3 is the Niphean Extra Large Inflatable Paddleboard, the perfect option for families and group adventures. Measuring 11 feet by 33 inches with a massive 500-pound capacity, this board comfortably accommodates 2 adults plus a child, or even your furry companion. A large detachable center fin enhances straight-line tracking and stability, while the textured non-slip EVA deck provides excellent grip for beginners and experienced riders alike. Built from premium materials for long-term durability, it also features 15 integrated D-rings, allowing you to attach a kayak seat, cooler, fishing gear, or connect multiple boards together. The package includes an adjustable paddle, 4 removable fins, pump, backpack, waterproof phone pouch, cup holder, repair kit, and an impressive 3-year manufacturer guarantee. Number 2. HEYBOARD Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard. Taking the runner-up spot is the HEYBOARD Inflatable SUP, an excellent choice for beginners and recreational paddlers. Its 10 feet 6 inches by 32 inches design offers outstanding balance and easy maneuverability, while the tri-fin system provides smooth tracking, whether you're cruising on lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. Built with reinforced drop-stitch PVC construction, the board maintains impressive rigidity and durability while resisting scratches and impacts. Supporting up to 400 pounds, it's ideal for paddling with your dog, carrying gear, or enjoying family outings. The non-slip EVA deck adds extra confidence underfoot, and the complete accessory package includes an adjustable paddle, high-pressure pump, removable fin, waterproof phone case, ankle leash, and backpack. Everything you need to hit the water straight out of the box. Number 1. Adventure Extra Wide Inflatable Paddleboard. Taking the top spot is the Adventure Extra Wide Inflatable Paddleboard, a feature-packed SUP built for families, fishing, and all-around versatility. Its ultra-wide 35-inch platform delivers incredible stability while supporting up to 450 pounds, making it perfect for 2 riders, pets, or plenty of gear. What really sets this board apart is its kayak conversion kit, allowing you to switch from stand-up paddling to seated kayaking in just minutes using the included inflatable seat and foam footrest. It also includes 5 removable fins for customizable handling across different water conditions, plus an action camera mount so you can capture every adventure. The generous accessory package features an adjustable paddle, dual action pump, 120-liter backpack, dry bag, cup holder, waterproof phone case, whistle, leash, flag, and more, all backed by a 3-year warranty. If you're looking for the most complete inflatable paddleboard package of the year, this one is hard to beat.